Hi there, welcome to Posh School of Etiquette. I am Eniola Onokoya, an international etiquette consultant and also a member of the London Association of Etiquette Consultants. I'm an accredited management trainer by the Center for Management Development, Nigeria. At our school, we believe that charm, grace, and sophistication are timeless qualities and can be mastered. We offer a range of training programs covering various aspects from fine dining etiquette to business etiquette, social etiquette, etiquette for the young, hospitality and customer service, workplace etiquette, Nigerian cultural etiquette, and netiquette. For more information, please visit our website at www.poshschoolofetiquette.com. You can also reach us through our social media handles, or better still, contact us directly via the number showing here. Posh School of Etiquette, elevating manners, elevating lives. Thank you.